Samsung is preparing to introduce three new smartphones in its Galaxy A series lineup: the Galaxy A56, A36, and A26. These devices have already appeared in certification databases and benchmark results, hinting at their upcoming launch. However, a new development has further confirmed their existence. Samsung has now listed them on its official website, making their arrival more certain. The first clue came when Samsung published the support page for the Galaxy A26, confirming that the device is on the way. While this was a strong indication of its upcoming release, there was no official mention of the Galaxy A56 or A36 at the time. That changed when Samsung added all three models to its website in Chile under the section for out-of-warranty repair services. This listing not only confirms their names but also reveals their model numbers, marking the first time Samsung has officially acknowledged them. The appearance of these three models together strongly suggests that they will be launched at the same time. This aligns with Samsung's strategy from last year when it introduced the Galaxy A55 and A35 as a pair. Reports indicate that the company may unveil these new models as early as next month. Although the website provides information about screen replacement costs for various Galaxy smartphones, pricing details for the displays of these upcoming models have not been included yet. This is likely because Samsung has not officially announced them, but their presence on the website suggests that the launch is not far off. The new Galaxy A series phones are expected to come with several upgrades over their predecessors. Leaks and rumors indicate that the Galaxy A56 will feature a more powerful chipset and improved cameras, making it a great choice for those looking for premium features in a mid-range phone. The Galaxy A36 is expected to serve as a middle ground option, offering a good balance of performance and affordability, while the Galaxy A26 is likely to be the most budget-friendly option, providing a solid smartphone experience at a lower price. Design is another aspect that many users are looking forward to. Samsung has been consistently refining the look of its Galaxy A series smartphones, and the new models are expected to follow this trend. Leaks suggest that these devices may come with slimmer bezels and a modern design that aligns them more closely with Samsung's premium Galaxy S series. On the software side, these devices are expected to run Samsung's latest One UI version, likely based on Android 14. Samsung has been prioritizing software optimization in recent years, and these new models could offer smoother performance, better battery efficiency, and extended software support. Battery life has always been one of the strong points of the Galaxy A series, and the new models are expected to continue that tradition. The Galaxy A56 in particular might feature a larger battery capacity along with faster charging, making it an excellent option for users who need a device that lasts throughout the day. With these smartphones now appearing on Samsung's official website, it is clear that the company is in the final stages of preparation. If past trends are any indication, an official launch could happen in the coming weeks. The key questions that remain are how Samsung will price these models and what unique features they will bring. Now that we have official confirmation, it's only a matter of time before all details are revealed. Which of these new devices are you most interested in? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest in tech. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Have you ever imagined just how slim a smartphone can get without sacrificing its performance? Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge may be on the brink of answering that question, but there's a twist to the story. The Galaxy S25 Edge is poised to give Apple's iPhone 17 Air a run for its money. Both of these upcoming smartphones are expected to wow us with their incredibly slim designs, but the real question is, how slim can they go while still offering the powerful features we expect from premium devices? The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be around 6.25 millimeters thick, while the Galaxy S25 Edge could potentially come in even thinner at 6.4 millimeters, with some speculations hinting that it may be as thin as 5.8 millimeters. But let's not focus solely on how thin these phones are. There's also something else to consider. OnePlus is preparing to unveil the Open 2, which could be as thin as 4 millimeters when unfolded. Yes, a foldable phone at just 4 millimeters. However, let's return to the Galaxy S25 Edge, which has sparked plenty of buzz due to its early performance results. Recently, the Galaxy S25 Edge appeared on Geekbench, a well-known benchmarking tool that evaluates a phone's performance by testing its processor, graphics, and overall speed. It measures how well a device handles multitasking, gaming, and overall performance. The first test results for the Galaxy S25 Edge were exactly consistent, with a score of 3005 in the single-core test and 6945 in the multi-core test. But more recent results have shown a notable shift. The updated benchmarks show that the Galaxy S25 Edge scored 2,806 in the single-core test, slightly lower than before, but it achieved a much stronger score of 8,416 in the multi-core test. This suggests that the phone could be more efficient at handling multiple tasks at once, which is a major plus for those who use their phones for gaming or multitasking. That said, it's important to remember that these are early test results, and the device isn't official yet, so these figures should be taken with a pinch of salt. Performance aside, Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to feature some impressive specs, including a 200-megapixel main camera that will surely appeal to photography enthusiasts. On the front, the phone will likely sport a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The display will be equipped with an LTPO panel that offers a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. If that's not bright enough for you, I'm not sure what is. For durability, Samsung is expected to include an Armor aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, making the Galaxy S25 Edge resistant to drops and scratches. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge will likely be powered by 12 GB of random access memory, RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring that the device runs fast and efficiently, even when handling large files and apps. It will also feature support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB-C 3.2, ensuring quick data transfer and seamless connectivity. In terms of charging, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to support 25-watt charging speeds. While this might not be the fastest charging solution available, it should be more than enough for quick top-ups throughout the day. As for the processor, while it hasn't been officially confirmed, it's likely that the Galaxy S25 Edge will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, with Samsung likely sticking with Qualcomm for this generation. We might see Exynos chips return in the Galaxy S26, but for now, the Snapdragon 8 Elite seems like the safer choice. One thing to keep in mind is the battery. While the battery might be smaller than previous models, the Snapdragon 8 Elite's efficiency should allow the Galaxy S25 Edge to last all day without any major issues. At least it better. If you're as excited about the Galaxy S25 Edge as I am, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have you been waiting for the One UI 7 update on your Samsung phone? The wait could be nearly over. For the past few months, Samsung fans have been on edge, watching as Galaxy S24 series owners enjoy the beta version of the upcoming update. Meanwhile, millions of other users have been stuck on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, wondering when they'll finally get their hands on the new version. Well, the end of the wait might be closer than we think. Although Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the exact release date, there are several strong indicators that the update could roll out very soon. A key clue is the upcoming launch of the Galaxy S25 series. These new flagship devices will ship with One UI 7 already installed, and they're set to hit shelves on February 7. It's likely that Samsung has been holding off on the global One UI 7 release to keep the focus on the Galaxy S25 series launch. Once those new devices are out in the wild, Samsung will likely begin releasing the update for older models. Another reason to believe the release is near is the stability of the latest One UI 7 beta for the Galaxy S24 lineup. With the final beta versions performing well and offering a smooth experience, it's clear that Samsung has made significant progress. This suggests that most of the testing and